Good evening, guys. You know how to calculate the cube roots, but you don't know how to calculate the cube roots by shortcut. Today I am going to teach how we get the cube root within a 10 seconds. You know well, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube, 10 cube values. You know 11 cube value also you know well. First, going to calculate the cube root of 614125. What to do now? First, you bifurcate from right side for every 3 digits. 3 digits. Clear? This is the unit place number, that is 5. Unit place, in the unit place 5 is there. In this table, where is 5 is there? 125. In the unit place 125, 5 is there. What is the cube root of this one? 5. 624. The 624 is lies between 8 and 9. 624 is lies between 8 cube and 9 cube, or 512, 729. In which is the least? 512 is the least. 512 is the least. Its cube root is 8. Therefore, 85 is the cube root of 614,125. 6,14,125 cube root is 85. Similarly, cube root of 421,875. Grouping. In 875, unit place 5 is there. You write 5. 125. In 125, unit place 5 is there. Its cube root is 5. 421. 421 is lies between 7 cube and 8 cube, or 343 and 512, in which 343 is the least. Its cube root is 7. Therefore, the cube root of 421, 875 is 75. Cube root of 21952. Grouping. In 952, unit place is 2. In unit place is 2. Here is 2. 512. In 512, unit place is 8. You have to write it 8. So 21 is lies between 8 and 27. Unit place 21 is there. This 21 is lies between 8 and 27. In which 8 is the least, its cube root is 2. Therefore, the cube root of 21952 is 28. Cube root of 1331. Grouping. In 331, unit place is 1. Unit place is 1. 1 is here. What is the cube root of 1? 1 itself. So 1 cube root is 1 only. Therefore, cube root of 1331 is 11. Next, cube root of 24389. 24389. From right side for every 3 digit, grouping. In 389, unit place 9 is there. Here 9 is in 729. Its cube root is 9. You have to write it 9. 24 is lies between 2 and 3. 2 cube and 3 cube, or 8 and 27. In 8 and 27, least is 8. Least is 8. Its cube root is 29. Similarly, cube root of 250047. You know well, for every 3 digits from right side, grouping. In 047, unit place 7. Where its 7 is there, you just count it. In the unit place in 047, unit place is 7. Where is 7? Just you go through this. 27. Cube root is 3. In 27, unit place 7 is there. Its cube root is 3. In 250, it lies between 216 and 343. 216 and 343. 216 is the least. Its cube root is 6. Therefore, cube root of 250047 is 63. Okay, bye. In the next video, we discuss some other shortcut. Thank you very much.